This person is my cousin. She works in an office every day. She uses a computer and calculator. She checks many numbers and writes reports. She also talks with clients and helps them with their money. She is very careful and organized in her work.